Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering down and removing batteries. Do not skip this. Use a T6 and T8 Torx, a spudger, and an anti-static mat so you avoid component damage. Once done, peel up the sticker under the grid and remove the 3 hidden screws. Then unsnap the shell carefully to avoid breaking clips. Take photos of the PCB and cable routing. These images guide reassembly and prevent accidental connector damage while you proceed to the internal repairs. You now focus on the analog module that causes drift. If it's a plug-in part, gently unplug the ribbon or connector. If soldered, desolder each pad with flux and wick to avoid lifting traces. Clean the PCB pads and test fit the new module first, making sure pins align and orientation matches. Once seated, solder or lock the connector with steady, brief heat. Let the joints cool. After this, reattach any removed cables so the sticks will communicate correctly. Now reassemble the shell and replace screws in their original holes. Make sure clips snap without forcing them. Reinstall batteries, pair the controller to your console, and run the stick calibration or test in the Xbox Accessories app to confirm correction. If drift remains, power down and reopen. Check solder joints for cold joints, ensure ribbon cables are fully seated, and verify the replacement module is correct. If necessary, swap in a known good module. This single change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.